We love our full-size all-purpose blender, but if you only make a smoothie every day, consider a personal blender. They're half the size, they're cheaper, and here's the cool part. When you're done blending, you just take the jar, put on a lid, and go. There's nothing extra to clean up. Now, we tested 9 blenders that cost $17 to $90. We made challenging smoothies with frozen fruit and raw kale. We made thick chocolate milkshakes and green goddess dressing. And the results were dramatically different. Some whipped up anything in less than a minute. Others really struggled. It came down to 2 factors, pitcher shape and blade design. Now, these tall, skinny pitchers, they trap ingredients far from the blades, so we had to stop and poke at them. Wide pitchers kept food moving and got it done. Wide cups didn't fit in cup holders as well, but we'll take that trade-off. Bad blades had just a couple of flat, short prongs. The best ones had 6 longer ones angled up and down so food could not escape. And it's obvious that some manufacturers never tried drinking from the cups. Some you had to take the lid off entirely just to take a sip. Some of them leaked, or they had teensy tiny openings too small for thick smoothies. Now, even more important, some of these blenders were a huge pain to run and they took forever. This is our favorite. It's high-powered and worked ultra fast. It made a smoothie in 45 seconds. With plenty of power, a wide jar, and a 6-pronged blade, it blends perfectly. It's easy to drink from and it seals tight. It has 2 cups, 18 and 24 ounces, and it stayed tough even after we abused it, making 100 smoothies and 100 milkshakes in a row. At $89, it's pricey, but cheap ones fell short. The Ninja Nutri-Ninja Pro is our top choice.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.